Good afternoon, my name's Paul Tilker. I'm 50 years of age. I have approximately 17 years of driving trucks under my belt. The first probably 10, 15 years of it would be MR trucks, which would be a tipper truck. I've driven semis for a year. They were non-road ranger, even though I have an open license for road ranger. The semi I drove was an automatic. I live at Bribie Island, have lived there for 6 years straight. Looking for work around the CABOOLTURE to Brisbane area, prefer close as possible. Looking at a sidearm truck job if possible, through waste management. I also am able to drive left-hand vehicles as I have an American left-hand drive car. I'm a family man and looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.